Hi, welcome to CoinFabric's Learning to Scout series on issues in Soroban, Stellar's smart contract language. Today, we'll explore a detection class known as Unprotected Mapping Operation. The unprotected mapping operation issue occurs when mappings are modified with arbitrary keys given by users without proper authorization checks. This can lead to unintended data modifications, data corruption, and even denial of service attacks if a malicious user enters an arbitrary large number of entries. Here is an example where this issue appears. Notice how the setBalance function lacks authorization checks and allows anyone to modify the account balances mapping directly. Let's run Scout on this code. We navigate to the contract folder and run Cargo Scout Audit. The warning related to unprotected mapping operation appears, indicating the issue. To address this issue, we add an address require auth step, ensuring only authorized users can modify the account data. Now, when we reanalyze our corrected code with Scout, it no longer detects the issue, confirming our fix. In smart contract development, it's essential to always validate and authorize user inputs, especially when modifying critical data structures like mappings. Always ensure proper access controls are in place. Thank you for watching. Learn more about Scout in the links below, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one.